Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon, and here I have Miss Beautiful B, who's helping me do my video today. So she came in and she wanted a full coverage quick weave, and you see she has partially thinning hair, and we're going to do a quick weave on her that will last. So we're going to go ahead and start in the back of her head. Now you see that she has partially gray areas, so we want to make sure those areas are covered as we do this quick weave. So I'm drawing out the line here to show you where I want the longer lengths to start. So we're just going to continue doing our U-shaped pattern around the head. And when we reach the line that I have already drawn out, so once we reach that spot, we're going to trim around the back and the sides. And the reason I do this is just to make sure that it's properly tapered before I add the next longer lengths. So here you see me adding the longer lengths to the top. And I'm just going straight across the head because she don't want so much hair in her face, but she still want that side to be heavy. So if I keep it in a straight pattern, it won't fall so much in her face. Now here where the part area is, we're just going to loop it around a small U, and we're going to work our way all the way up to a circle. Once we get to that circle, we're going to do the quick closure. The closure that comes in the pack, we're going to use that this time. So I already cut around the perimeter of it, and I'm going to preset the glue, let it get a little tack on it, and I'll place the closure on the spot that we pre-glued. Now, once that closure is set, we're going to go ahead and comb through this hair and pull all the hairs together and make sure that it's evenly uniform as we comb. And the reason we do this is just to make sure that we can gauge what the hair is looking like as we track the hair. So now I have everything combed together. I'm wetting the hair, and I'm using the point cutting method. And the only reason I use this particular method is because I don't want the hair to look blunt as I cut it. And you can see like the lines in it. I want it to be an uneven but even cut. So therefore I'm going in, just even everything up with the foundation cut and just try to perfect the different angles and make sure that everything looks close to natural as possible. So I have preset the hair under the dryer, and now we're curling, and I'm using the flat irons to curl it. It's 1-inch flat irons, and I'm doing big barrel curls because I don't want the hair curl too tight, but I still want a lot of volume in the hair as I curl it. So the way that I curled it gives the hair a lot of play. You can pretty much do whatever. Once it's curled in a specific direction, you can pretty much style the hair however. But she likes for the sides to be short and to pull the rest out of her face, but she still love her hang time. So that's what I'm doing. I'm curling the hair so it doesn't like sit right on her face, but pull to the side. And you'll see once I turn the head, you'll see the other side where it's like a little lengthier on that side. So from here, you girls know what to do. Once you get that hair styled up real nice, you kind of just play with it a little bit and see what it do. Kind of work those different angles. I know I wanted to pull this toward the face, but I could have pulled it off the face as well. But it's when I say it's so much play in this hair and the way that it's curled, it's really a lot of possibilities in how you style this hair. So she loved the fact that it looks so natural. It looks so real. You know, she was able to keep her hair in at least 4 weeks, I know. And that's what we want. We want our clients, when the curls fall, to be able to style their own hair and still keep the integrity of the hair. And so she was really impressed with the last time I quick weaved her hair, and she was like, she couldn't wait to get back in the salon to do it again. So she was very pleased. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next video. Always remember, God loves you and so do I. Be blessed, guys.